Hey guys, it's Craig from Wattle Accountants. Today we're going to talk about why you need to make sure your accountant is registered. So firstly, the main reason is if your tax accountant is not registered, it's likely they don't have insurance. So if there's a mistake, interest penalties, you'll have to change them on a civil matter, take them to court, try and recover the money, whether they have any assets. So it's always important to make sure they have insurance. You can go to the insurance company to make sure they cover that. The other thing is, if you do get penalties, using a registered tax agent means you are protected. They call it safe harbor provisions. But basically, if they have made a mistake, the ATO won't apply penalties and interest because you've done the right thing. You've used the registered tax agent. That's all you can really ask for. So it's really helpful. Obviously, there's going to be repercussions for them when they find that out. But for you, you're safe. You don't have to worry about that. I guess. Now we know there are big reasons why you want a registered tax agent. How do you find one? How do you make sure they are registered? So you need to check with the Tax Practitioner Board. So they are the regulator of the tax agents. It's not the ATO, so they are separate. So when you go to their website, you just search on their register, literally just type in their name and you'll be able to find them. What are red flags that you would see when someone is not registered? So it's very common for people with a personal tax return that someone will use their personal MyGov account. So don't give me your MyGov account. I have my own portals because I'm registered. But if I was saying, give me your MyGov details and I'll lodge your tax return, I would report them immediately and walk away. Very, very similar to if you're running a business and you maybe try and lodge a business activity statement. And you find a bookkeeper and they want to use your business portal. So similar to the MyGov, but for business. BAS agents have their own, once again, they have their own portals. So we don't need your portal. That's for you. And the additional risk here is that it's very real that you can commit identity theft. So very common with COVID when we're accessing superannuation for those that were in need. I personally had a new client that came to me that we were able to stop. The process of the superannuation withdrawal was already in process, and luckily we got in there quick enough to stop that. Same with tax refunds, so they can lodge returns on your behalf. It's very hard to fix that situation when you do have identity theft. Whether they've stolen money on your behalf, technically it is you, so it's very difficult. There's no insurance company, so it's a big thing. So make sure you are checking that they are registered. Once again, I'll leave a link in the description below just so you can search on that register. And hope the video was helpful. And all the best. And thanks for watching the video.